Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to continue to speak with you about microservice architecture and Spring Cloud. Maybe the main part of microservice architecture is a system of communication between microservices. And today I'm going to start to describe you a simple approach to organize communication between microservices. I'm going to use Netflix Eureka and Ribbon to organize communication and balance between instances of microservices, because usually when we are using microservice architecture, we want to have scalability of every our microservices. Yeah, and I have added two models, order service and product service, and that's why order service will try to communicate with product service to get product and order it. Also, I'm using service discovery server component. I have created it in my previous lesson. You can find it on my YouTube channel, and also you can find this source code in my GitHub repository. I am going to put the link below the video. And let's go forward. To understand what kind of instance of this component is working, I have added a product prefix parameter, and I am setting it using VM options. I set specific port and specific product prefix. Yeah, you can do it in the same way. And now I have two started instances. Also, let's have a look on my dependencies. Yeah, you can see this. And also, as you can see, I have started config server application because my service discovery server uses it. Yeah, and the Mint application, yeah, it doesn't related to this lesson, but anyway, we have these models. Yeah, and new dependency is Spring Cloud Starter Netflix Ribbon, and all other dependencies you have seen if you listened my previous lessons. Yeah, order server has the same dependency, Spring Cloud Starter Netflix Ribbon, and let's have a look on our simple business logic. We have order controller that try to use REST template to get access to our product service, and we are using this simple name, yeah, that Eureka and Ribbon provides to us to use. And let's have a look on configuration. I have configured REST template bin to get access to our components and our product controller. We are using this parameter from our application properties file that usually we are putting into configuration server, and you can find information how to configure your Spring Cloud configuration server in my previous videos. Yeah, and I'm using this string, and we return this simple product using hard-coded ID of this product. Yeah, but anyway, we have Eureka instances, and how you can see, we have order service and two product services. And if we try to get access to product services using this URL, first one return yellow, and the second one returns green product. And let's try to use our order product service, and yeah, you can see our load balancing is working, everything is okay. Feel free to ask questions in comment section, and get access to my GitHub account, to my GitHub repository to find source code. Yeah. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Bye.